The diesel exhaust aftertreatment system is designed to reduce the levels of hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen or NOx, and particulate matter remaining in the vehicle's exhaust gases. Reducing these pollutants to acceptable levels is achieved through a three-stage process. This video will focus on Stage 3, the DPF and surface regeneration. In Stage 3, a particulate matter, also known as soot, is removed from the exhaust gases by the Diesel Particulate Filter, or DPF. The DPF captures diesel exhaust gas particulates, also known as soot, preventing their release into the atmosphere. The DPF is capable of removing more than 90% of particulate matter, or soot, carried in the exhaust gases. Pressure connections at the DPF, inlet and outlet, allow the differential pressure sensor, or DPS, to measure the pressure drop across the filter. Once soot buildup reaches a specified limit, as signaled by an increased pressure drop across the DPF, the ECM commands a regeneration event to burn off the collected soot. Regeneration that occurs during vehicle operation is known as normal regeneration, since they occur without the driver knowing. The vehicle will need to be operated continuously at speeds of 48 kilometers per hour or 30 miles per hour for approximately 20 to 30 minutes for a full regeneration to complete. To initiate a regeneration event, the ECM commands the HCI to inject additional fuel upstream of the DOC in order to create additional exhaust heat necessary to promote regeneration and burn off the collected soot. During regeneration, exhaust temperatures may exceed 550 degrees Celsius or 1022 degrees Fahrenheit due to the rapid catalytic combustion of soot within the DPF. Under low engine speeds or light loads, exhaust temperatures may be too low to promote proper regeneration. To protect the DPF catalyst from thermal damage due to excessive soot combustion or from sulfate poisoning at low temperatures, the ECM monitors EGT sensors of the DPF during regeneration. Periodic regeneration prevents the buildup of soot from reaching a level where its burn-off could produce damaging high temperatures within the DPF. Vehicles operated at prolonged low speeds or low loads where normal regeneration does not occur will eventually reach a high soot load condition. When the increased pressure drop across the DPF is detected, the ECM illuminates the DPF lamp and sends a clean exhaust filter message to the Driver's Information Center, or DIC. The owner's manual diesel supplement describes how the vehicle should be driven in order to enable normal regeneration. If the vehicle is not operated within the conditions necessary to initiate a normal regeneration cycle, once the soot buildup exceeds a calibrated value, the ECM illuminates the service engine soon lamp and displays a reduced engine power message on the DIC. The vehicle will remain in the reduced power mode until service regeneration is performed. Service regeneration occurs when commanded by the scan tool. The ECM will take control of engine operation until the regeneration is completed. In about 35 minutes, or the service regeneration is canceled by the technician or aborted by the ECM if it detects unexpected conditions. Exhaust temperatures at the tailpipe may exceed 300 degrees Celsius or 572 degrees Fahrenheit during service regeneration. Observe the following precautions. Must be performed outdoors. Keep people, other vehicles, and combustible material away. Provide a clearance area of at least 10 feet on all sides of the vehicle during regeneration. Ensure the tailpipe exhaust cooler is not obstructed by mud or debris. Do not leave the vehicle unattended. The ECM monitors the inlet and outlet exhaust temperature sensors to maintain the particulate filter optimum temperature. The ECM commands the intake air valve in order to precisely control combustion temperature during regeneration. The exhaust system has been designed to lower tailpipe exhaust gas temperatures during regeneration by using an exhaust cooler to draw in cooler air as exhaust gases exit the tailpipe. You can also watch Stage 1 and Stage 2 of our diesel aftertreatment series. Once again, I'm Jim Rokitsky. Thanks for watching.